After years of leading the foldable phone industry, Samsung is again facing stiff competition and must show that its forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the greatest foldable phone available. Samsung's market dominance is eroding as other businesses catch up. With many rumors about the new foldable phone, people have high expectations for this release, so there's a good chance that Samsung will set a high standard for all foldable phones this year. The next Galaxy Unpacked event is expected to take place earlier this year. Samsung can afford another slight update, like last year's Z Fold 5, which faced stiff competition from the OnePlus Open and Google Pixel Fold. Here are the most talked about rumor improvements for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. For 5 models, the Galaxy Z Fold seemed to have a taller screen than comparable tablets. However, the Galaxy Z Fold the 6th of May changed that. It seems that it will feature a broader fold on the exterior, making it easier to grasp. Leaked videos and photographs reveal that by making the phone wider, it will be slimmer when folded and unfolded. This fold will also make it easier to utilize applications on the larger screen inside. In addition to the aspect ratio change, the Galaxy Z Fold the 6th of May inherit a feature from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a titanium frame. Given that the phone is expected to be costly, utilizing this premium material makes sense. This change would make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 more robust. Instead of the aluminum frames that Samsung has been using, titanium would be tougher and better able to survive drops and other damage. One issue that foldable phone users often suffer, particularly with notebook-style models, is strain on the inside display. Samsung improved the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with a gateless hinge, but the Z Fold the 6th of May go much farther with a trademark application for iron flex. The file just specifies a foldable OLED display panel and a foldable smartphone, but based on the name, it seems that it might make the display more resistant to scratches, especially those caused by frequent folding. It would be even better if Samsung increased the brightness of both phones. In contrast to the S24 flagship series, notebook-style foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 need a lot of power for multitasking and gaming. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.